How y'all doing? Look, so this lesson 1. I'm gonna change the other one to lesson 0. It's gonna be lesson 1. So today, what we finna talk about? Quick summary on prop firm. So with lesson 0, we talking about how you can like trade, understand the basics. So what I'm gonna be doing is like give the information, but just do more research on it on your own, right? And you're gonna be successful in this game. So what I mean by that, I'll give you like the recipe, but it's up to you. So like, I don't know how I want to put it. Look, I'm gonna like give you the info, but you gotta do a little more digging on your own. But me giving you the information is saving you time from you not looking around for it. You get what I'm saying? Cool. So we were talking about charting and stuff. So you know how prices move with TradingView and stuff, right? So understanding a basic quick recap of markets. So you see on TradingView, you have all type of markets. This stock market, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, options, and all that. So I'm in the futures market. That's what I trade. So you go to launch chart, for instance. Just doing a basic recap of what this mean, this green and red, because it's not complicated, It just look complicated. It's not. So you got, if you look at the hour candle, every hour a candle forms. This hour have 37 minutes and 45 seconds left for it to close. So candles, and within right here you got price. What price is 25,627. That's what is being traded for. That's where the transactions happening. And over here you have the hours, the time frame. So it's like a graph. You got the Y and the X. So function graph. So you have the time and what price is. Okay? Simple. All this green and red is just transactions, buy and sell. Every time it's moving, buy and sell. When you see green, it's more people buying than selling. If you see red, it's more people selling than buying. So that's all these candles mean. Okay? You have so many stuff you can trade. You can trade NASDAQ, S&P 500, QQQ. You can trade. It's a lot of stuff you can trade, So I only trade the NASDAQ though. I only stick to the NASDAQ. So today, the lesson of the day is what we're going to talk about is what? Prop firms, okay? What is prop firms? I told y'all prop firms is like companies that give you accounts for you to trade, and if you do good, you get paid. Okay? But the entry, so let's go. First, number one, matter of fact, let me ask Grok. Hey, you have AI. Should be your best friend. Whatever you need to know, take your time. AI gonna teach you. Grok, I recommend Grok. So here's a simple example. Proprietary trading for brand new trade the same way I explained it. Beginner in 5 minutes. Super simple version. Okay. For total beginners, imagine a rich company gives you 100,000 of their money to trade with. You don't risk your own cash. If you make profit, you keep 70 to 90% of it. If you lose nothing. The firm eats the loss. The only catch, you first have to pass their test called a challenge or evaluation by proving you can make money without blowing up the account. You pay a one-time fee like $200 to $1,000 to take that test. Pass, they give you the big account. Fail, you lose only the fee, not the real money. Slightly more detailed version, still beginner friendly. A prop firm is like FTMO, the funded trader, MyForex funds, RIP, funding pips, etc. Does 4 things. They sell you a trading exam. You pay them example $300 for a 50,000 demo account with specific rules. Max daily loss 5%, max total loss 10%. So this is what you can't lose on a day. This is what you can't lose all in all, and minimum 5 to 10 trading days. Profit target 8 to 10%. Okay. You trade that demo account. If you hit the profit target without breaking the rules, you pass. They give you a real funded account up to $2 million in 2025. You trade with their capital still on demo in most cases. They take the real risk in the background. Profit split, you keep 70 to 90% of the profit you make. Example, you make 10,000 profit, you get 8,000 to 9,000 paid to your bank. They keep the rest. Analogy new traders love. It's like renting a Ferrari to become an Uber driver. You pay a deposit to prove you can drive safely. The challenge. If you pass, they let you drive their Ferrari all day and you keep most of the fares. If you crash it, you only lose the deposit, not the price of the Ferrari. Red flags. Things to mention so they don't get scammed. Real prop firms never ask for monthly fees, only a one-time challenge fee. That's a lie. If they promise no lose or instant funding with 90% split, almost always a scam. That's a lie, whatever. Because the prop firms I use is like futures. See, these prop firms that Grok right here is talking about. FTMO, the funded trader, MyForex, that's Forex stuff. I don't trade Forex. Forex is just bullshit to me. I trade the futures market, okay? So, now, going ahead, let's go look at top prop firms I use. Number 1, Top Step. Okay, topstep.com. Okay, Top Step. Okay, Top Step. 10,000 traders called up to live payouts to traders in 2024 to earn a funded account, funding future trader, whatever. So let's go look at their program, how it works. Okay. Earn funding by passing the trading combat. Manage risk and improve profitability. Start earning from your trading. What is the trading combat? The trading combat is an experiential learning and evaluation program for future traders. Traders grow and test their skills in simulated markets and earn funding upon achieving certain trading objectives. While earning a funded account is one possible goal, the discipline and habits promoted by the trading combat benefits traders of all experience level. Okay. Follow the trading plan. Rule 1, maximum loss limit. Exceeding the maximum loss limit, MLL will result in a rule violation. Top Step's MLL is based on your end-of-day balance. Unlike other prop firms who calculate it on unrealized profits, intraday high water mark, we have the best drawdown in the business and give you more room to trade. Objectives. Top Step is committed to providing real-world trading value into the trading combat. The non-rule violating objective are part of the plan that we ask our disciplined traders to follow. Profit target, consistency target, and daily loss limit. So, if you have, for instance, if you buy, let's read more, okay? Okay, so, let's go right here. These are the accounts they sell. 50K, 100K, and 150K. These accounts are really $2,000 account, $3,000 account, and $4,500 account because that's what you can't lose. They just call these 50K, 100K, 150K, whatever. So these accounts, say you buy this account, it's $50. You pass it, you pay $150 activated, and now you can make money. It's extra rules on it for you to make money because they'll tell you, okay, make $150 for 5 days, not straight. You can make $150 today and make another $150 next Monday. However long it takes you, just make sure you have 550 days. They don't have to be back to back or never close to each other, and you take out half of whatever you have. So if you done made $2,000, $3,000, you'll take out $1,500. And you keep doing that until they call you on live, where you go to live now. They put money on your live account. And after that, what they do, you trade on the live market and you can take your money out. Because even after they put you in a, when you start getting paid, you're still trading simulation accounts. It's not real orders going in the market because they can't take risk on you, okay? So this account go for $50, this $100, and this for $150. And when you lose the account, you just buy another one and reset it, okay? And keep going until you pass your accounts or whatever. So just a little detail I'm giving, like I said, I'm skimming through it. You want to come here through all these websites and take your time and read. One thing a lot of people don't do is take their time when they want to get into a field. Always take your time and study and understand. You will not get rich quick. That shit is a lie, okay? Unless you inheriting wealth. So, first, Top Step, okay? Second, my favorite, Apex Trader Funding. Actually, I have them pulled up right here. So, Apex Trader Funding. I have an account with them. See, this is them. Right now, they have 90% off on their account. So you can get an account right now until 6 days for $19 for an account. Okay? $19 for one account. And when you pass it, you just pay $84 or whatever to activate it. Okay? So, Apex, all these people. Apex Traders, let's look at okay, Apex, like I explained, it's all the same, okay? So you buy the account, you pass the evaluation, you don't lose the account, and you start getting paid. Right now they got accounts for what? $19, okay? So see, I have 10 accounts that I just bought with that promotion to trade, to add on, because I can have up to 20 accounts. So right now, what I have is like 10 accounts that I'm getting paid from, which are all up at like $9,000, $8,000. So each account is at all this balance. So, and I've been trading these accounts for like 38 days. Okay. So now what I did today, I got more accounts to make this 20. So whatever I take money out on one, 2,000 on one, I can take it out on 20 accounts. So that'll be a $40,000 bag in a bank every time I'm taking money out. Okay. I just have to basically do what? Pass these accounts. Okay. And currently, these accounts are at what? Let's see. This is my first day trading them at 171, 174. Okay, I have to make $3,000. It's at 50,000 right now. I have to make $3,000 to pass. They give me the PAs and I trade that and run up my bag. Okay. Apex, the best thing about them, they give you 20 accounts, maximum 20. Top Step, maximum 5 accounts. Okay. Now, let's go to the next one. Who else? We'll go to Take Profit. Okay, let's go to Take Profit. Take Profit is a different. Every firm have their own rule. Okay, their own rule, and you just have to follow their rules and get money from them. Okay, these companies. Okay, so what makes Take Profit good? You can get daily payouts. So once you pass the account, you buy an account, you pass it. See, select your account size, prove you can trade, start earning money, withdraw into your account, upgrade to pro. So with them, you can take money same day out. So Apex tell you have to trade 8 days to take money out. Okay. Top Step tell you have to trade 5 days to make $150 or more. Not consistent, but you need $150 each out of those 5 days to take half of your money out or whatever. You get what I'm saying? So everybody have their own rules and extra rules too, because Apex has certain rules I'm not speaking about, and Top Step has certain rules I'm not speaking about. So your job is to go into these websites and look at these companies I'm saying, read their website, understand how they work. It's like when you go into their house, understand how the game works and read everything, okay? Take your time and read and study, okay? Take Profit. What makes them the best? You can take money out same day. If you make $10,000 in one day, you take it out all in one day, okay? Now, who else we have? Traderfy, okay? Traded fat. Okay. Traded fat right here. Okay. Okay, what makes traded fat good? Traded fat, you get straight to fund it. That's the only thing that's good with them. Unless they change that, I gotta see. But on your first payout in 5 days and like all that, just go up there like I said and read what they got going on. I'm giving y'all these prop firms, they're legit prop firms, okay? So, traded fat, okay? And after that, it's probably more, but they don't matter. Top Step, Apex, Take Profit, Traded Fat. Those four. It's more companies, but they're irrelevant. These are the big boys, okay? In my eyes, okay? So, that's about prop firm, okay? So, y'all understand what they mean and how they work. Go to these websites. Top Step, Apex, Traded Fat, and Take Profit. Understand how their rule works and more, okay? Yeah, this trading game, man, look, you can make all the money you want, man. But you gotta get in her focus, discipline, and studying, and take your time, bro. Like, it's not no get rich quick, for, you know, like, this is like, people will see, like, if I go to my payouts with this company, for instance, I took money out from other companies as well, but right now I'm with them, Apex right here. Like, people will see my payouts and stuff, and they'll think I got lucky or I just did this, but they didn't see the struggle, the years of work. Like, it took me 3 years to start making real money with this, you know, like, discipline. Like, I'm working, bro. Like, I'm not finna sit here tell my story, because this ain't the time for it, and I don't think nor will it ever be, because if you a legend, you're gonna have people gonna tell your story, not you, you know. So all I'm saying is hard work, though. You gotta also love the game, like, and be disciplined. You get what I'm saying? So if I go to, like, my payouts, like, right now, see, I just requested another 20,000. They denied it, basically because of a rule. See what I'm saying? So you gotta remember. See, I done made all this money from them, but then just from October, this all got paid to me. But this one got denied right here. Okay, so why did it get denied? Like I said, every prop firm have rules. Okay, I messed up on one of their rules that they had that I knew about. Okay, so when that happened, don't get scared. Don't worry. It's not a big deal. You just keep trading for the next 8 days and take, you know. So because I requested this payout on 35 days, I have to now wait until 43 trading days to request the money again. And this time they're going to send it, because I'm not going to mess up on the rule, okay? So when I requested this money, where was it? Right here, see? They told me open the email, man. So yeah, they told me receive your pay. Congratulations on your PA, whatever. Unfortunately, after we are not able to approve the request at this time, your payout was denied for the following reasons. So it was a rule of 50% MAE drawdown violation, which means if your account is at, like, say my account is at $5,000, right? And I go in a trade and I'm down 4,000, and it go up. Say my account is at like 8,000. And I'm down almost 7,000, and I go back up and make $1,000 on the same trade, That's the rule, basically. You get what I'm saying? But that's a rule I was aware of. It's just okay. So like I said, it's not a big deal when that happened. All you do is just keep training, because I requested this on 35 days, right? Now all I have to do is like trade extra for like I said 43 or some days, whatever, because this was on 35 days, right? Now the account is on what, 38 days. So I just need 5 extra days of trading, and I can request the money out again and get it. Okay, so not a big deal. That's what I'm saying. You have to understand all the rules of these prop firms. Okay, everybody have their own rules. It's not just one rule. They have plenty of rules. So go to these websites, understand these rules, and yeah, focus up. And also try to go back, touching back on these trading views, like looking at like these charts. So whatever you don't understand, pay for a $20 subscription from Grok. I don't recommend ChatGPT. You know, use Grok and ask every question. Like this should be your best friend right here to get everything, understand everything you need. You know, like it will teach you everything. I'm gonna just tell you something. You use this until you understand it. Okay, like ask Grok, explain candlesticks to me. Like, you know, you ask anything. Okay, one story of price is a specific wick shadow. See how it shows you everything. And guess what? Guess what? It might be some stuff it don't explain right, but most of the time it will. If it don't, hey, no, Grok. I'll say, look, explain it to me like I am a baby. And guess what? It's gonna explain it better. Okay, man. I'll beat your ass, Grok. Okay, man. See this? Happy price. Green candle, happy price. Price went to sleep higher than when it woke up. Price said, yay, and went up. Right? Red candle, sad price. Price went to sleep lower than when it woke up. Price said boo and went down. Okay? Now look at the candle's body, the fat part. Big fat green body. Price was very happy and ran up a lot. Then tiny green body. Price was only a little happy. Big fat red body. Price was very sad and down a lot. Okay? So see how I explain all this? Okay? So now, hey Grok. Explain what is going on in candlesticks, okay? Okay, that's watching in real time, super similar, baby. So every single candlestick is a live report of the war between two groups in that exact same period. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, whatever you choose. Buyers, the bulls who want the price to go up. Sellers, the bears who want the price to go down. Here's what's going on second by second inside one candle. Open the starting line. The very first trade this time period happens here. This is where the candle's body begins. The fight begins. So it's transactions, buy and sell, okay? That's all it is. All in all, you got AI, man. We live in a whole new world, man. If you don't know how to use AI and learn what you want to learn, you gotta do some thinking, you know? Like, we in an era where you don't need me. You just need to know what you want to do or something, and you got the machine to teach you. Like, we living in the best era, man. For real. But, alright, bye-bye.